funny little matter. Yeah.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this super cute Kim Kardashian / Kylie Jenner, I guess, inspired bob. I was watching the Kardashians. I forgot what season. I was watching different seasons with my sister the other day, and I seen this cute bob on Kim Kardashian. It was so cute, and it was like not, you know, your typical blunt, you know, bumped bob. It was a little bit shorter. So that's the look that I'm going for. I hope I kind of nailed it. I'm gonna probably try to do a side by side for the thumbnail or something, but this gorgeous wig is from West Kiss Hair. So this is a 4x4 lace wig, and it's a closure. So there is only closure right there. There's no frontal, and it comes machine made, so it already comes made. So there is a such thing as a closure wig that you don't have to put together. And I think that's amazing. So when they told me about this, I was happy because I'm like, I hate making wigs. It takes too long. It's very time consuming now that I have a son. So I was happy they told me about this. But yeah, y'all, I will link it in the description. It's very cheaper than bundles and a frontal. I mean bundles and a closure, and it's very thick. This hair is really thick, not just because I cut it. It was thick before, and I got it in 16 inches. Shipping with them is always about 3 or 4 days via DHL. The hair is super soft and bomb, y'all. All I did was dye it black and then blow dried it, and I styled it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I got this super cute bob. And it was really kind of hard, y'all. It was kind of hard because I was like, I don't know. I never did it, and I decided to get some clippers this time. So that really scared me because I'm always very uneven. And I think that it is still a little uneven, but we just not gonna talk about that. Let's just act like it's not there, okay? Because, honey, I ain't going back in and doing nothing because I'm gonna mess it up if I do. But yes, this wig is from West Kiss Hair, and I will, of course, put all the links in the description, especially for this wig. And I'm done talking. Let's just get into this tutorial. I hope this is helpful, and I will try to find the clippers that I used. They were really cheap because I personally thought that clippers were expensive because I used to work in a beauty store and they were all like $70 and up, because barbers would come there and be like, hey, give me that. I'd be like, oh, hell no. I found these for like 18 bucks at Target, so that was not bad at all. So if you guys want me to link it, just comment, because I won't try to find it if you guys don't really care. You can just go to Target or Walmart and get some cheap clippers, but they did a pretty good job, you know, they did a good job. So I was really impressed. But yeah, let me just stop talking. You guys already know the drill with West Kiss Hair. I love West Kiss Hair. So links will be in the description, and let's get into this tutorial.